Okay, right now it's March 22nd, 2018, and in California, it's all flooded. It's pretty bad rain. This is nothing compared to what I want to show you. Oh, my socks are getting wet. It's all flooded here. It's crazy. I don't know. Just crazy. Alright. See all the water. This is nothing. Hold on. We're almost there. Just a little down this corner. More water. Alright, this is much. It is crazy over here. It's all water. Dang. Oh god, I don't even know how I'm gonna cross this. This is like a foot deep. Oh man. Look at this. Oh. Like this is some real stuff. Alright, let's cross. Let's cross again. This is nuts. It's all flooded and can you see this? Alright, you might not be able to see it. Pretty deep in the water. Oh man. Oh my god. This is like up to my knees.